Good afternoon, friends. Welcome to the mid-market update from the advisory desk. Today being the first session of the week, we open on a green note. Nifty and Sensex opening by almost 15 points up and around 30-35 points up on the Sensex. Now this was because of the Asian indices also were trading in the green when the market resumed for today's trade, and even overnight on Friday because of the positive economic data from the US, the Dow Jones ended up by nearly 40 points up, ended at 14,000. So US data points out that the economy is recovering. There has been less jobless claims from the US Labor Department. That shows that the job market has also been improving in US. In Europe, things have been pretty stable. It's just that there have been certain countries like Spain and Italy that might bother later on. But as of now, the things have stabilized, and that has led to European markets also doing fairly well on Friday. Now coming back to the Indian market, now we had a couple of news and data that is on in this week. We have a couple of important results like State Bank of India on 14th of February. On that same day, we have DLF, the real estate giant, also announcing the results, the quarterly results. We'll also keep you posted on their results expectations. Coming on to today's trade, Dr. Reddy, Tata Motors, Sun Pharma were the saviors and the gainers on the Sensex, whereas kind of metals and other kind of real estate were kind of on the losers side. We have Gillette India, which lost almost 15% in the opening trade. Now it's trading almost 5 to 6% down because Gillette parent, they have 88% stake, and they announced, the parent announced that they can bring down the stake to 75%. So on that they would come out with the OFS. So that stock is kind of taking a beating on higher volumes. Mid-cap index slipped in the red after positive opening, weighed down by the third quarterly numbers. So certain stocks are doing good. Depending on the results, they have been performing as per the expectations. Friends, on the forex part, we have rupee trading at 53.5 against the US dollar. It went almost to 53, but after the GDP estimates number came out, it has been weakening, and now it's open almost 53.55 to the dollar. So that's all the updates and news we have till mid-market. We'll get back to you more in post-market. Thank you.